The Sandy Springs Ranch 2019 acres has a stocking rate of 600 plus pairs on the deeded land. An additional 1,100 acres of leased land is carrying 100 pairs. The ranch also features 2 contemporary homes, a guest house, and a bunkhouse. The pastures are all subdivided with cross fencing, and the sprigged Bermuda grass and native grasses provide a long grazing season. With 30 ponds, 3 seasonal streams, and 8 frostless watering tanks, your livestock will never want for water. Barns, shops, sheds, and working facilities are well placed for easy access and functionality. The corrals contain miles of steel pipe fencing and will accommodate all the livestock the ranch will support. This ranch was previously a registered cattle operation and features a livestock sale arena, barn with wash stall, and all you need to host your own sales. Call today to view this exceptional ranch.